Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video I'll share a tool with you which is quite handy and perfect for the Windows users. So as you guys normally know, the host file which allows you to manipulate the website and firewall settings. So this is the tool which you can get from the link which is given in the description down below. This is presented by askvg.com. So this is really just amazing. So normally the host file locates under the system32 drivers etc folder, and for somehow you if you have messed up with that file and you want to delete or restore, you can do that easily by using this tool. This is just perfect. I can't just explain it in words. And if you want to block a website, for example just google.com on the local host, you can do that easily by just typing the url and add to host. That's it. And you will be able to see what kind of url are given in the host file without opening it using notepad or anything. So it becomes very handy. And apart from that, if you know about the dns poisoning, you can do that as well. And each and everything becomes handy just by clicking add to host. And ultimately, if you have messed up, you think this is not working or I don't want it anymore, you can just delete and restore anyhow, anyway, anywhere. So this is the tool I thought I must share with you guys, because this is really an amazing tool for me, and I hope it is for you guys. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.